Hey, what's going on, guys? Dante here, and welcome back to another Bloons video. Today we're gonna be doing some random trio bonanza. I came across it when I was trying to look for something to record. So I really wanna see what other people's defense will be like. Like, we're gonna be using the same card, so I really wanna see what they can do. Looking for the lookout. On the lookout. I'm gonna pause and I'll unpause when I find a game. Okay, guys, I found a game. Let's see. This is really good, like the boomerang and the monkey ace. But I'm not gonna do this because of the threatening. It's actually a waste of a tower. I like this map, please. That's even worse, please. Yes, thank you. Please. Dawdling is actually not. Is it all dawdling this time? Dawdling is actually not bad on this map. Gotta admit. Like if I keep getting weird voice cracks, I might even stop recording. Like, not stop recording. I might like mute myself because this is getting out of hand. Don't know why I said it was an ice monkey, but leaked a few lies. I'm gonna get this to that. I just decided, like, I just remembered that that tower is really good. Like, look at that. Oh, how strong it is. But like, it's strong early game, but I don't think so late game. Like, dawdlings are the best on this map, like at the bottom here. Because the map will be going everywhere and you can shoot everywhere. Yeah. So what I think I'm gonna do, I'm sorry about my weird voice crack. Like, I'm trying to cover it by not talking. So like, from time to time I'm not gonna be talking because of my voice. But it's like hard to do because I talk too much. 600 600 equal. Not bad. I don't know why I said not bad. Okay, like, this dotting is really good. The early game on this map, like other maps, the dotting is horrible. And that ice tower is actually really doing some damage there. I wish I got glue gunner instead of ice tower, because like, or even a better like tower or something like that. I'm not saying that like glue gunner is like my favorite tower or something like that. I just wanted to try something for a change. Like, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Let's see what I can do. Let's see. Hmm. Never miss target. That'll be really good for now. Like, right now I really need that never miss target. One thousand and something eco. Actually, I really like the way this guy is playing, because like he's one of those guys that actually send eco. Usually people don't like sending eco, they just use like the 500 they get. I don't know why. And they don't even bring banana farms. If they brought banana farms, that would be like exceptional, but they have no way to make money. They only depend on the money that they have with them. I really don't like that. So this one I'm gonna get into a Arctic wind. Come on, yes. Just for that extra freeze. There go. So that will freeze anything in place. So if it tries to rush me, like that's the thing I like about Ice Tower. If it tries to rush me with the Region Rainbow Rush, that won't work because of my Arctic wind. My defense is super strong right now. I'll try and make it better. I think on Bloons TD5, like there's this little combo that I used to do, the glue gun ice tower combo. I used to put it at the start. It's amazing. Glue gunner shoots everything, poisons it. Ice tower freezes it, and then they'll die from the poison. But some like they'll die from the poison from the glue gunner. But the reason why I don't usually use ice monkey is because normal darts can't hit it, like frozen balloons. But it's actually really good as a slow down tower. I don't know if it's better than the ninja monkey though. I'm actually wondering which slowdown is better. The sniper, the ice, or the ninja. I think it's the ice. Because it's freaking Elsa. Let's see. Get this. Okay, that will be like, that's like a Bloon Jutsu stuck like frozen. Trying to reenact the Elsa scene. There you go. I think I'm gonna put a ice tower there. Ice tower there. So this one will go all the way to ice shard, and then Arctic wind, ice shard, and then Arctic wind. Okay, that'll defend for a while. All I need to do is like defend here. Why is this person sending like these? I've never seen anyone send this. Let me try send this. Let's see. We're actually super bad for eco. I think blacks are better, I think. Yeah, blacks are better. And then pinks are better raw. Let's see. 5,000 eco. That'll be like, oh, I didn't even use this. Yay. That I'm getting like a bunch of money from that. If you guys like can't tell, it's actually making me get money from every pop. And also I'm trying to hide the effect that I like my voice is cracking by like not speaking loud like I usually do. Maybe I must get a ray of doom. No ray of dooms yet. I'm gonna get a spectacle. that will defend like perfectly. I need to get a second Spectre. I hope this guy attacks here. And yeah. Mostly I'm gonna be using the ice tower because I haven't been using it. Also the ace I haven't been using it. I think I'm gonna get that just 2 or 3 dodling gunners. And then the rest will be ace and the ace and dodling. Not the ace and dodling, the ace and monk like ice. Ice right there. Arctic wind. No, not Arctic wind. Oh, I can't. I forgot. Like after this round, that's when we're gonna be able to send oh my gods, ZOMGs. I'm gonna try fix my Clash Royale because Clash Royale is actually a really good game. I like playing it. I'm gonna switch to my main account because like playing on a new account is so boring. Like you have to start over again. But I'll be okay. This account, like I spent all of my money. Just like it's gonna be like starting again. I'll be growing my money again. So it will be like I started from the beginning, but I just have all the towers unlocked. It was like that was kind of boring, like not having all the towers unlocked. I had to unlock every single one of them. Oh yeah, I think I unlocked the Cobra last time. I don't know if it's on this account, but I know on one account I unlocked Cobra. Must I send him a rush? A rush the rush. He won't be able to defend it. Just in case, get this rail gun up. Put it on his side because everywhere else is okay. I'm gonna get 10,000 eco, save up some money, rush him with oh my god, and he's gonna lose. And yeah, how long is my video so far? Like the reason why I keep checking my videos, like every single video I'll be like, how long is my video, how long is my video, it's because I don't want to make my video that long, because if I make it that long, you guys are not gonna watch the video. If I make it too short, what's the point of the video? I think short is like a little bit short. Yeah, that would be okay. Like, probably like 10 12 minutes, like not 20 something minutes, somewhere like 8 12, somewhere there. Even 6 minutes is fine. Next tomorrow, no. How am I gonna be able to defend this? Please say yes. Yes. I definitely need my other Ray of Dooms and my Spectre. More Spectres, I mean. Yes. This guy's gonna be a Ray of Doom. Ray of Doom. And then this one is gonna go on the other upgrade. Hydra rockets. I think this tower has the longest name. No, not this one. The other, not this one. Yes, this one. I think it is the longest name in the whole history of Bloons TD Battles. Okay. So I unlock this guy. Push you there, push you there. Make sure you are Spectre, because like I need to get more Spectres, because you saw how hard it was just to defend just simple mobs and margin. BFBs. No, that was horrible placement. Let me try that placement again. Like, sorry if like my placement is like really horrible. It's just like I don't know. I forgot my excuse, but I did have an excuse though. That's what I don't like. These balloons are like getting too far. Yo, look at all those pops. Why? Why you bullying me? Put an ice monkey there. I think I'm gonna be fine by like tomorrow or tonight. I don't know. I probably should have recorded like my video later because like and this morning like for some reason I'm not feeling well. So I'm gonna be lately. I'm gonna be focusing on wait. I need to use the bathroom and I'll be back. So I'm gonna pause for now, and yeah, I need to use the bathroom. I'm back and we almost lost. Like I actually didn't go to the bathroom because of this. I saw this BFB like just came out, so I was scared. Oh no, my abilities didn't work. I tried to pop it with my ability, but it's fine. Now it's time to send this guy the rush of his life. Let me say sorry. Sorry. I said sorry. Yeah. I said sorry already. Now I need to build up my eco again just in case. Because if he tries to send me something, I won't have the eco to defend. Hello, equalizer. Why is this balloon not working? Why is this balloon not working? Okay, it's working now. Yes. Now I need to send pink balloons to get back my eco. Because once this eco is lost, I'll be lost also. Do that. Use this ability for that extra money. I think this is the end of this guy. Señora amigo. I'm actually trying, instead of Spanish, I'm actually trying to learn Japanese. Okay. I can make a decent amount of money out of this. If I try to use all of my money for ground zero time. Ground zero. That barely did anything. Oh no. Exactly what I didn't want. I might edit some clips out. I'm gonna try to. And yeah. The reason why I'm gonna try edit some clips out is because the video is too long. I think this is enough. This guy's going down in 3, 2, 1. Wait, I said 3. I said 3. This guy's not dead yet. Ah, this is the death of me then. Oh no. Yes. Okay. Give me one of my pens. And that's the end of me. Oh no. I'm about to lose. Oh, this guy is gonna lose. Please lose, please lose, please lose. I sent those layers by mistake. Yes, and he's about to lose. He's about to lose. He's about to lose. Why didn't he die there? Please say yes, 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 yes. How did he not die there? Oh no, this is the end of me. Either one of us need to die. I'll accept this death because I've been getting some victories lately. Oh, well, I'm busy with it. Wow, I'm busy with this. Okay. I died. Okay, guys. Hope you enjoyed my video. Hope so. Even though I lost. It's not like a simple mob or some balloons. The whole 0 MG. So, hope you guys enjoyed. And I'll see you next time. Bye.